Welcome student. Today I am going to explain chapter 3 atoms and molecules part 2. We have to deal second law of chemical combination, that is known as law of constant proportion. This law was given by Proust in 1779. According to this law, a chemical compound always consists of the same elements combined together in the same proportions by mass. This means that whatever be the source from which it is obtained, a pure chemical compound is always made up of the same elements in the same mass percentage. For example, water is a compound which always consists of same two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, combined together in the same constant proportion of 1:8 by mass. This can be put as follows. For the proportion of hydrogen and oxygen in H2O, we take the mass of hydrogen. Here is 2 atoms of hydrogen and mass of hydrogen is 1 atom of hydrogen is 1 U, and another atom is oxygen and the number of oxygen atom is 1. So 1 into 16, and so it becomes 2:16, and after cancellation it becomes 1:8. Another proportion of carbon and oxygen in carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, 1 atom of carbon have 12 U mass and 2 atom of oxygen have 32 unified mass. So its ratio becomes 3:8. On the other hand, proportion of hydrogen, carbon and oxygen in carbonic acid is 2:12:48. That means 1:6:24. So we see that either we prepare these compounds by any source, the mass of elements are fixed in proportions and always they follow this rule. Another rule for chemical combination is law of multiple proportion. This law was given by John Dalton. According to this law, 2 or more than 2 compounds can be formed with the combination of a fixed mass of one element with the different mass of other elements in different simple whole number ratio. For example, when carbon and oxygen reacts with each other, they form 2 compounds by following the law of multiple proportion. For example, multiple proportion of oxygen with carbon in carbon monoxide is 12:16, that means 3:4, and in carbon dioxide 12:32, that means 3:8. Other example, multiple proportions of oxygen with nitrogen. Nitrogen combined with oxygen to form 5 type of compounds. First one is nitrous oxide. The ratio is 28:16, that means 7:4. Nitric oxide 14:16, that means 7:8. Nitrogen dioxide, that means 14:32, that means 7:16. Dinitrogen trioxide have a ratio of 28:18, that means 7:12. And in dinitrogen pentaoxide, the ratio of nitrogen and oxygen is 28:80. 28:80, that means 7:20. So we see that the fixed mass of nitrogen is 7 in these compounds, and the mass of oxygen are variable in the simple whole numbers, that means 4, 8, 16, 12, 20. And in the case of carbon and oxygen, the ratio of the mass of carbon is fixed, but the mass of oxygen is a simple ratio of oxygen. So this law follow the multiple proportions of two elements, and in this law we see that all the compounds are found here in a simple ratio. So in the next segment we shall study about the Dalton's law of atoms. Till then, goodbye.